Alright, hi, this is going to be my first video breaking one of these boxes I got at a Walgreens. It's 100 cards in here with one pack, and as it says, you get 1 and 4 contain a hit, so hopefully I'll get something here. I like to open it from the bottom, just because that way all the cards come out real nice, and when I'm done, I'm actually going to price them all, and we'll see where it goes. Looks like the focus is kind of, there we go. Alright, so first one we got here, we got there. Greg Harris. I always liked this set right here. This is one I grew up with. And I think I have probably a complete set or two of this one. I know I have one of this. This is a really good set right here. A lot of Angels so far. Darnell Coles, he was a Tiger also. Brewers. Danny Cox. Dennis Rasmussen. Jeremy Hernandez, Cleveland Indians. Sid Fernandez. There's Tony Fernandez. Again, another one of the 91 tops. Oops. Juan Bell. Lance Blankenship. Jack Clark. This is another set that I liked. I wonder if this is the updated. It is updated, so these are updated ones right here. Yep. Got a lot of those also. So you're going to see a lot of commons in this particular box. I like Fred McGriff. He's a good one. Junior Ortiz. Goose Gazzo. This is another set that I liked. 1990 tops. Yep, it's the regular set. Switching over to 92 tops. The Dodgers. Mark Carrion of the Mets. And then some Bowman. Look at the Bowman in there. So yeah, once I'm finished with all this, I'm going to go back and actually put the prices down. Let's see, because these boxes cost about $5.99 with tax. So 2019 tops right here. Checklist. Another 2019 tops. Cubs. St. Louis. These like to be upside down, so I'll flip them all. And there's the pack. We'll get to that in a second, see what that pack is. Hopefully it's a good one. Haven't been really successful getting some good packs with these lately. Al Newman. OPG. Yeah, I always confuse the OPGs with the tops. 1983. Houston Astros. Von Cauldron. Found out that he passed away when I was doing some research. Didn't know that. Yep. Todd Worrell. San Francisco, who is that? Yep. Kyle Gibson. Oh, the Red Wings. I know the Red Wings in Detroit. Not sure about the Rochester Red Wings, whoever they're affiliate of. Maybe someone out there would know. Just getting back into baseball, card collecting. Basketball was my main thing for the longest time. Another OPG right there. Always got to be careful if these are tops or OPGs. USA Baseball. 3,000 Ks. Looks like a nice one. Is that CC? Yeah, CC Sabathia right there. Pete O'Brien of the Mariners. Yep, Brett Gardner. A lot of commons. Haven't came across anything. There's a rookie, Jake Cave. And looks like this is going to be an opening day. Got quite a few of those, the 2019 and the 2020 opening days. We'll set that aside for right now. Josh Donaldson of the Blue Jays. Blue Jays looks like they have quite a few stars on their team. Gary Pettis. Jerry Roos. Daryl Boston. Les Lancaster. I recently just sent away for his autograph. He was a Tiger for a year. So I like to collect autographs also. I send out these commons when I have doubles of them. And I've gotten quite a few back. I've sent out over 150. I've had about, I don't know, maybe 40 or 50. Maybe one time I'll show my collection of those. Mets. I liked that set as well. Let's flip these around here. Ruben Sierra. I always liked him growing up. I'm not sure why, but I just liked him. I liked the Oakland Athletics. Detroit was my #1 team, but I definitely liked the Athletics. Still, haven't came across anything. Who's that there? Old Cincinnati Reds. It would be Jim Pug, maybe? No, I want another pitcher. It's like Jim Poole. Tim Leary. Mark Langston. Love those gold cups. Another checklist. I'll throw that down. I like these old top sets as well. Rick Manning. I like what they've done with the Topps archives and put them back. Here's a Donruss. Now this set, there's 3 sets of it. There's an A, a B, and a C. As you'll notice up here in the top, up in the top corner, if it wants to focus for a second, we'll see if it has the, there we go. There's a period right there you can see, and that is either part of the factory or part of the revised set. There's one without a period next to the INC of Leaf. Marabella. Johnson. Bob Welch. Scott Erickson. Flip these over. Gary Scott. Chico Walker, Cub. Joel Skinner. I just liked his name growing up. Mike Felder. Roy Howell, another old school Topps. Pete O'Brien and another checklist. 81, old school. Jeff Russell. Carlos Hernandez. Dick Schofield. Yost. Bill Schroeder. Another Lancaster. Looks like this one doesn't contain a hit, but it's okay. Maybe something will be in the pack. We'll have to see. Wally Joyner and Tom Gordon. So let's go ahead and open up that pack, see if there's anything worthwhile in there. I always like keeping the wrappers too. Okay. Clayton Kershaw. That's a good one. Opening day. Not as good as the regular set, but I still like them. Albert Almora. Jonathan Shoup. Ah, look at the blue logo. The opening day edition. And an opening day of the Tampa Bay Rays. I remember when they became a team. Jake Bowers. and Didi Gregorius. Alright, so nothing really on this one, but price them all out and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching.